In the previous lesson, I showed you how to save this file and we opened the data panel window here, but we can close it. In this lesson, I will show you how to edit the previously created sketch and previously added operation. Let's say I would like to change the dimensions of this solid, and for this purpose, I have to edit the sketch on the basis of which this solid has been created. And to edit a sketch, expand the Sketches tab, and here we have the sketches that we use to create this solid. And the rectangle sketch is the first sketch. These sketches are extinguished, but by clicking these symbols, we can turn on or off the visibility of the sketch. And now let's edit the first sketch, and to edit the first sketch, double-click the left mouse button here or right-click and select Edit Sketch. Now we have switched to the sketch edit, and to change a dimension, double-click the left mouse button on the dimension you want to edit. And enter here, for example, 150 mm, and let's change this dimension, enter 100 here. Then double-click the left mouse button on this dimension and enter 90 here. And if you have already finished editing the sketch, click the Finish Sketch button, and the changes we have made to the sketch have also been applied to the model. Let's edit the second sketch. Double-click the left mouse button on this sketch, and here I will change the diameter of this circle to 75 mm, and click Finish Sketch. OK, let's edit the first sketch and change the distance between the holes, for example, to 120 mm. OK, Finish Sketch. And in a similar way, as we edited the sketch, we can also edit the extrude or pocket operation. To do this, to edit the operation of creating a solid, this operation must be located in the history of the operation. Here we have two operations only, so we can easily find the operation we want to edit. Let's say I want to change the height of this solid, and it's this operation. Click the right mouse button and select Edit Feature, and here we can change the height of this solid. And we can do it by dragging this arrow, or we can enter the appropriate value in this field. Click OK, the changes have been applied to the solid, and in a similar way we can change the depth of the pocket. Click the right mouse button, select Edit Feature, and enter a new value for the depth of the pocket. Click OK, and in this way we can edit the sketches that we have already used to make the solid, and in this way, we can also edit the operation of creating 3D solids. And that's where we'll end, and the link to all available lessons is in the description of this video.